my channel. In this video we will learn about the introduction to greedy method. The greedy method is the most straightforward design technique. We are taking one problem and the problem have n number of inputs and require us to obtain a subset that satisfies some constraints. Any subset that satisfies these constraints is called as a feasible solution. So here to solve a problem we are considering n number of inputs, and from the n number of inputs we are considering a subset. So how we are selecting the subset from the inputs? So based on a condition. So any subset that satisfies this constraint is called as a feasible solution. So any set that is satisfying the condition is called as feasible solutions. So we need to find a feasible solution that either maximizes or minimizes that feasible solution. So that is called as the optimal solution. Suppose I want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore. So I will check what are the different transportation modes. So I am going to check the transportation mode. So which is very very cheaper, right? So I will check the transportation. So I will select the transportation mode which is cheaper to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore, right? So there are different ways, multiple number of ways to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Okay, so in that multiple number of feasible solutions, I am selecting one feasible solution that is called as the optimal solution. So optimal solution means reaching the destination, that is Bangalore city. Okay, so this is the optimal solution. So how we are finding the optimal solution? So based by maximizing or minimizing that feasible solution. So here I am considering the one type of transportation mode. I am selecting one type of transportation mode to travel from one city to another city. So which is less cost. Okay, so that is the optimal solution. So finding out a best solution from the available number of feasible solutions. The greedy method that one can devise an algorithm that works in stages, considering input at a time. Each stage a division is made regarding whether a particular input is in optimal solution, that is called as a subset paradigm. So here we have two types of paradigms, subset paradigm and ordering paradigm. Okay, so in the subset paradigm, at each stage, so we are checking the inputs at each stage whether the inputs are in optimal, we can reach the goal state or not. So that is called as a subset paradigm. So some of the examples of the subset paradigm are job sequencing with deadlines, optimal storage on job sequencing with deadlines, knapsack problem, and minimum cost spanning trees on based on the subset paradigm. Whereas some problems like optimal storage on tapes, optimal merge patterns, and single source shortest path are based on the ordering paradigm. So now let us see how the algorithm of the greedy will work. So algorithm greedy of a comma n. So here a of 1 to n are the n number of inputs that we are considering, and so we don't know the optimal solution, right? So we are considering the solution as 0. So for I equals to 1, the loop will start here. So we need to select one one input here. So we have to select the input from the given set number of inputs, and we need to check whether that particular solution is feasible or not. That means whether it is satisfying the condition or not. Okay, so after checking that particular input, so we need to find the solution. So how we are finding the solution? So we need to find the union of the solution comma x. That means, so we are having multiple number of n number of inputs. From the n number of inputs, so we are taking some subset. Suppose if there are 10 inputs, so from the 10 inputs I am considering only 5 inputs. That is a subset of 10. Okay, I am considering only 5 inputs, which I am selecting these 5 inputs which are feasible, right, which is satisfying the condition. Okay, and I will unite all that feasible solutions in order to find the optimal solution. Okay, so then return solution. So the function selects an input from the array A. So it removes and assigns the value to the x here. So feasible is a Boolean valued function which determines if x can be included into the solution vector or not. And the function union combines x with solution and updates the objective function. So this is about the greedy algorithm, and there are different techniques where we apply the greedy method. So in the next video we will see the knapsack problem. Thanks for watching my video.